Hey there, John. My name is Anka Stefania. I'm Romanian, and I'm making this video because I got really excited after watching your training. What your training brought to me, and I really thank you for that, is the understanding that there are already in this world a lot of great products that I can just promote because I already tested them and they work great for me, instead of constantly thinking of ways of me creating my own products. So at heart, I'm a creator, and I'm driven by by this obsession of creating value through my coaching skills and through my digital strategy skills. I'm a digital marketer and a life designer, and I'm really passionate about life design, which to me is taking responsibility for your life, switching from a victim mentality into a creator mentality, taking full responsibility and being wholly accountable for the kind of life that I want to create. Um, I'm a digital marketer, so this is how I'm earning my income. But I'm slowly switching into the health and wellness industry because that's where my heart is. I want to be an affiliate marketer because I'm Romanian and we don't have Amazon. Amazon is gonna arrive soon in Romania, so I think that that's a huge market opportunity for a lot of people who are interested in affiliate marketing. And I want to be one of the people who is kind of bringing affiliate marketing through Amazon in Romania. I want to gain a lot of knowledge and then be able to share it with other people so that I can help them create a life of freedom and contribution. These are my top two values. I'm gonna make 30K this year, and yeah, so we still have like 6 months, so we are gonna see how this works. Okay, what advice I have for other people who would like to create their internet business is to be perseverant and to be resilient. So the deal is this: when we are just starting, we are hoping that we are going to find this like magic bullet solution that is going to solve everything, and we are going to go from zero to hero in no time at all. In my experience, entrepreneurship is not like that. It's a bumpy road, and it's cool that it's a bumpy road because that's where you are forging who you are. That's where you're shaping your personality. That's where you are shaping your business mindset. And I do celebrate that path, and I hope that other people will be strong enough to understand that the only rule for me in entrepreneurship is being able to be with what is unknown and uncomfortable and still appreciate the journey and celebrate who you are and be happy there where you're at, even if things are really shitty. Cool. Thank you for this opportunity. Have a happy day. Bye.